If you want to update itch.io games, this video will walk you through the quickest way to get the newest version and start playing it right away. This is a simple process, and if you've already downloaded an older build, you can safely replace it with the latest file in just a few steps. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to itch.io and open the game page for the title you want to update. If you already have the old game file on your computer, delete the old game file so you don't accidentally open the outdated version later. This keeps things clean and helps avoid confusion when you're looking for the newest build. Once you're on the game page, look for the download button and click it again. This will let you access the latest upload from the developer. After that, download the latest file to your device. Depending on the game, this may come as a zip file, a folder, or another installer format, so just save it where you can find it easily, like your Downloads folder or a dedicated Games folder. When the download is finished, open the new version to play. If it's a compressed file, you may need to extract it first before launching the game. If it's an executable or installer, simply run it and follow any on-screen prompts. This is the main idea behind updating itch.io games. You remove the old version, go back to the game's itch.io page, download the newest file, and launch the updated build. It's fast, free, and usually only takes a minute or two. If the developer has uploaded a newer release, you'll now be playing the most recent version, with any fixes, new features, or content updates they included. That's why it's a good habit to check the itch.io page from time to time, especially for early access games, demos, or projects that get updated often. And if you ever run into trouble, double-check that you downloaded the correct file for your operating system and that you opened the latest version, not the old one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to update itch.io games the easy way.